Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, November the 13th, 2023. Yes, end of the month. Last day of the month. Yes. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzles and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 0 stars Sudoku, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Only 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. And now I will solve the other 2 regular puzzles. Alright. News of today, well, it's winter time. Yeah, winter time. Let me see. Winter in the country. Yeah. There's snow in our country. It's winter. Winter time. Alright. First puzzle. Binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7535. 7535. 7535. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, yes, I believe 38 printed digits. It's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 O's and 6 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes and no. Between the O's comes and one. Between the O's comes and one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Well, and now I'm stuck. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have here 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. Oh wait, we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Morgen ga ik weer op reis en dan ontmoet ik die en die en die. Dus hij was enorm bezig om op de voorgrond te treden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, here we have 5 ones. If I place number 6 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. If I place number 6 there, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. We have here 5. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. This box should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. That box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, 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 ay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, here, or there. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Come on, where's the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, wait, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, missing here one digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I think it's time for comparing. Right. Double O. Okay, here we have also a double O here, but we have a double one here. Double O, double one. Double O, double one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Well, do we have a double one here? No. Yeah. Got you. This, row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, so the rest are O's. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, 14 minutes. We solve it again, we solve it again. Only one time comparing. Yes, 12 by 12. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the second regular puzzle, the Sudoku Killer. Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.